guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa and I would love for you guys to subscribe before you leave this video, or actually, you know what, just pause it right now and just scroll down and then just subscribe. So anyways, for today's video I'm gonna do a Boxycharm unboxing. So if you guys want to see what I got in the box, just keep on watching. You guys already know the drill with my Boxycharms. I like to do trial, as I am mentioning the products. I like to test them out. So that is exactly what we're gonna do today. I already did my foundation and my concealer, and all I'm gonna do is I'm just going to set my face. This came with a brush set. I want to go ahead and use the brush set. So it has a cute Ferris wheel. They're the brushes that come in the set. It's 3 brushes. And this month's box is dedicated to Coachella, so everything in this box is kind of like Coachella vibes. It's great for the under eye. To be honest with you, I wanted to do a very Coachella eye look, like bright, but I'm gonna go to work after I am done filming this video, and I don't feel comfortable going with like a super dramatic pink eye. But I can definitely still film that eye look another day. We got a visitor.
Huh?
We got a visitor.
Huh?
What?
What?
Excuse me.
Mommy? Mom?
Papi, ven, lávate esas manos. Huelen a ketchup.
No.
You just finished eating egg. So the next thing in this box is this palette from Pure Cosmetics. Pure? Is it Pure or Pure? I want to say it's Pure. I have tried their products before in some of the other Boxycharms that they send, but to be honest with you, I think I give those to my daughter, because they have really bright colors, and she's all about all of that stuff. So alright, so this comes with a Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer, and then this is a palette. Like I said, this month's theme is very Coachella vibes, so it has like a Ferris wheel. Let me just open it, and I love the big mirror that they have. Everybody needs a big mirror. Let me just take this plastic off. Wow, look at these colors. Look at these. They look really bright. I apologize for the lighting. Like I said, I do use natural lighting. So right now I am filming in front of my window, and right now the weather here in California, I don't know what the hell is wrong with it, but I'm gonna start by using the color Epic, which is like a very orangey neutral, and I'm gonna use this color, and I'm gonna put this all over the crease. This is the Morphe 39 brush. Go ahead and take this color right here. It's more like a fluffy brush, and I have no product in here, and I'm just going to blend this. I am cutting my crease now. I forgot to mention to you guys that the eyeshadow primer that came with the palette, you have to really work quickly with that. If you get that in your box and you use it, make sure you blend quickly, because it looks like it likes to set. It sets really quickly. Alright, so now for my lid area, I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here, which is called I cannot pronounce his name. It's called Psychedelic. Psychedelic. What does that say? Tell me. Psychedelic. Really don't know. But it sounds like something like that. Good, like, we swear. Honestly, I'm really impressed with this shimmer color. I'm gonna go ahead and take the two colors that I use for the outer side right here, and I'm just gonna blend this together. I'm gonna step it up a notch just a little bit, and I'm gonna take this color right here. I like to take a lot, like literally, you can't even tell, but I don't like to take so much. Okay, so I think that's gonna wrap it up for this look. Honestly, I'm really impressed with this palette. I didn't think it was gonna be that pigmented, because the other palettes that I've used by them, I don't think they're all that. I feel like they're really patchy and stuff. So the next thing in this box is this Body Graphy pencil, eye pencil, and honestly, I don't really know. Like, I don't really use these type of pencils, so I don't really know how I can use it. Like, it's definitely can't be an eyeliner. Maybe, like, honestly, I really don't use these. They're really hard. I don't really find them convenient because they poke the hell out of your eye. So I'm not gonna use this in this video. I'm just probably gonna end up tossing it because I don't use those type of products. Honestly, I really don't. So alright, so I went ahead and did my lashes off camera, and just so I can go like with the whole palm tree theme, tropical Coachella theme, I'm gonna use this bronzer, and this is the one by Physicians Formula, and this is the butter bronzer. I should have used a different contour bronzer, because the one that I put on was way too, it's shimmery, and I totally passed that, so it's kind of defeats the purpose of this. The next thing in this box is this Artist Couture, and this is supposed to be a loose powder highlighter. I'm not a big fan of loose powder highlighters because I feel like they're really messy. The packaging looks very sleek and pretty fancy, if you ask me. I need tweezers right now. So I guess you slide it open, and the consistency is really soft. It's really soft. It's super messy. But here goes nothing. Oh fuck, it's pink. I don't like pink. Oh gosh. Alright, so this Artist Couture loose powder was definitely a flop for me. It's just way too messy, and the pigmentation that it gives is pink, and personally I don't like pink highlighters. I like gold, like this. This is the type of highlight I like. I don't like no. So honestly, like, you can make this work if you like mix it like with this, like if you add this one on top and then you add like your favorite highlighter. But honestly, it's too much work for me. I rather just go with the gold highlighter and call it a day. But of course, there's people out there that personally they like pink highlighters, and that's that. So anyways, I'm gonna move on with the last thing in this box, which is holographic lip gloss. Again, I am not a fan of, just, I don't know, like, I feel like this box is just a flop this month. And there goes the lighting again. So honestly, this lip gloss is just like what it says. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna finish, so I'm just gonna set my... Alright guys, so that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So overall, honestly, the box this month was kind of a flop to me. I was not really impressed with a lot of the products, especially this right here. Like, they raved about it so much on the website that I was honestly expecting way more. Maybe there's different shades, I don't know that. Maybe there is different shades, and maybe if the shade was different opposed to it being pink. It says it's called a Purple Dream, so I'm not sure if there is different shades, but just that shade to me was very, very pink, and like I said, I don't like those type of highlighters. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this try on Boxycharm unboxing, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.